Hello friends, this question is from the test series 9 from the subjects of analog circuit, and the topic name is operational amplifier and its application. It's a 2 marks problem. In the question we have a two-stage op-amp network and we need to calculate the output voltage V0 if the input current of 1 microampere is given to us. Friends, we know that in case of ideal op-amp, input current of op-amp is 0. So this entire 1 microampere current is going to flow across this 1 kilo ohm resistor. So if this terminal is, let us name this node as a node A. So if this node A has been named, so the voltage of node AVA will be 1 microampere multiplied by 1k of minus sign, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 millivolt. So my VA will be 1 millivolt. Now you can see that if you have a VA, so this network 2 is nothing but a case of non-inverting amplifier. Okay, non-inverting amplifier. So the gain output of non-inverting amplifier is 1 plus feedback resistor RF upon input resistor RI times voltage in the non-inverting terminal. Okay, in this case my RF is nothing but my feedback resistor nothing but 19k, my input resistor nothing but 10k. So my output will be 1 plus RF 90k upon 10k multiplied by minus 1 millivolt, which is k cancel, 9 and 10, so minus 10 millivolt. So my output will be minus 10 millivolt. Answer is find out the output voltage in millivolt. It is minus 10 millivolt. Thank you.